Hey, how's it going? Smoke a lot of hookah? Friends and family don't understand? Well, you know what? We're here to help you guys. It's DMZ TV, and it's your boy DeMarco. And today, I got my co-host with me, one of my best friends, the one and only
Italian Stallion, aka Nick. And today on Hookah 101, we're going to be talking about hookah.
This episode is brought to you guys by, of course, Hookah Place, Miami. They were generous enough to provide the shisha for today's episode. So shout out to Mickey, Dave. Love you. It's my brothers right there. Love you guys. Now, I brought Nick with me because he knows his way around the hose.
You mean hookah hoses, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So today we're going to be talking about the different variations of hookah hoses and which one is right for you. So DeMarco, are you ready to get down with these hoses?
I'm ready. And here we have a wide assortment of different types of hoses. Now, be wary of these three things when shopping for the perfect hose for you. First, budget.
Second, durability.
And third and last but not least, style. Now, here we got basic plastic hose. See this in a lot of lounges, a lot of different hookah bars. It's washable, not too durable, but comes in a lot of different colors too. What you think about that, Nick?
Yeah, you know, I do like that it is lightweight and, you know, somewhat attractive, but at the end of the day, it's not going to last forever.
Nope, not at all. Next, we have two Mia hoses. Two Mia hoses, you get the red one. Now, these two, love the style, love the design. Now, this one here in front of me differentiates from the red one because this one here comes with an ice pack on the inside.
Ooh,
it's a nice hose. Yeah, that's dope. I like that little area.
Nice.
These are durable than the last one, of course. Now, I like the style on these, the color. These comes in a lot of different colors too. What do you think about these two, Nick?
Yeah, you know, it's nice. It's kind of like an updated traditional vibe on these hoses. The a little bit more stylish and whatnot. But at the end of the day, it could last you roughly 6 months if you're a regular hookah smoker.
That moisture gets in there, starts rusting the hoses on the inside. Gotta replace it later on. Next, we have another hose similar to the last two Mias. Very, very similar. You see these in a lot of different hookah bars. I love I like suede. I like the soft touch of the suede right there. It's real smooth. I've seen a lot of different crazy styles of this one-piece hoses. Very budget savvy, a little durable. What do you think about those, Nick? We see those a lot.
Yeah, I mean, I like the color correlation between the white and black. Those are my colors between the two. But something that takes me back is the bulkiness of this hose. It's kind of in the way. It's gonna get heavy after a while, in my opinion, at least.
Yeah, gotta replace that one too after a while too. That one also rusts on the inside.
Yeah.
Now these are hoses that we use here at the studio. We got the D hose right here. This is silicone. It's not a soft touch silicone. As you can see, there's hair all over it. Everything sticks to this. It sticks to tables, but it does the job. I like the grip on this. This one, I really like this hose, to be honest, yo. What do you think about that one?
Yeah, it's nice. You know, it's gonna last a lot longer than the other hoses because, you know, the silicone in it. If it burns, it's not gonna melt. It's not gonna catch on fire. But something that takes me back is, again, it's bulky and it's not soft touch. So if it is rubbing on something, it could knock it over. It could make it hard to maneuver and whatnot.
Absolutely.
It's a little bit of a drawback in my opinion.
Absolutely. Now we have two soft touch Mia hoses. Now mine is a 3-piece. Nick has a 4-piece. The reason why his is a 4-piece is because it breaks apart as so. Yes, sir. Now these are two hoses that we use a lot. I like that breakaway. I like that a lot. As you can break down in pieces.
Yeah.
What do you think about these two?
I think they're great. You know, it's a soft touch silicone. You can take it apart easily.
Absolutely.
Makes it super easy to clean. And we don't mess with dirty hookahs.
Not at all.
No.
That soft touch. I love soft touch, yo. It just glides on any surface. It's a plus in my book.
Oh yeah.
Love it. Now we got the big boy for you classy hookah smokers out there, you tuxedo wearers. We got specially designed by Hookah, the leather stitched redwood. This is a badass hose.
The top dog right there. I ain't gonna lie, you got your custom red wood on here, along with the nice stitching of the leather.
It's like a steering wheel. Ooh, I love it.
That thing's top dog.
Next are some bonus features when you're shopping for the perfect hookah hose. Now here we got two Mias, and we're gonna take a look at the draw. This one has a smaller draw than this one here, so it's gonna be a lot more restricted, as opposed to this is gonna be a big wider draw in this Mia here. Blow some clouds. Also, grommets. Now with the one Nick's holding, of course, most hookah hoses use a grommet that you put at the end to fit into the hookah. Now mine, I'm using the matte pair simple. You can't get it off.
No.
It's tight on there. My matte pair simple is magnetic, so it drops right into there and it sticks right into the hookah.
Scientific.
And if I fall or something crazy happens to me, some crazy, anomaly, I fall and pull the hose, it's popping right out. Now yours, you're knocking over the whole hookah.
Yeah, 100%.
Also pay attention to the spring here. Some silicone hoses will come with a spring. This is for when your hose bends, there's no little kink in it. You don't get no pull, you realize, you think you messed the hookah up, and it's really just a kink in your hose. The spring is also a really cool addition. Now last, the length of your hose. Some people like short hoses, some people like long hoses. Let's stretch these out real quick. Stretch those out. Let me get the end over there, bruh.
Take it away.
Now we're at the end of the table over here. Now I have about, let's see, I got about 10 inches on Nick.
Only here.
Got about 10 inches on Nick. Now my personal preference, I prefer a soft silicone hose, soft touch. Style, of course, I have a nice style to it, and it's got to be washable because we don't rock dirty hose around here. And that's pretty much it. Soft silicone, it's gotta be durable, and I gotta be able to wash it. What about you, Nick?
I got 3 major factors, 3 keys. 1, you gotta have nice style, all day. If you're looking bad, ain't nobody looking. Second, you gotta have nice functionality to it. Mm-hmm. It has to be easy to hold, you don't wanna be sitting there working hard to smoke your hookah. We work all day for that. We don't need to do that while we're relaxed.
So what about this hose? Would you prefer that hose?
Yeah, 100%. You can take it apart, makes it easy to clean the stem, the handle, and then throughout the whole hose, you make sure everything.
And black is your color too.
Black is 100% my color. That shit don't crack.
And there you have it on our personal take of finding the perfect hose for you. Now, big shout out to Hookah Place Miami. Mickey and Dave, my brothers, man, supplying the gas on the table. Love it.
To conclude our segment today about hookah hoses was 1,
soft touch silicone, baby.
And
you gotta be able to wash that dirty hose.
But most importantly, you gotta look good with your hookah. And your hookah needs to look good with your hose.
Now, if you guys enjoyed this episode of Hookah 101, please don't forget, smash that like button.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget the little bell at the top, it's on this side, of all of our notifications on all the new episodes coming out. Now, once again, it's DMZ TV. It's your boy DeMarco.
And Mr. Italian Stallion Nick.
And we are out.
Get out of here.
Lovely.
Technique. Alright, we got it after this. We got it after
this.